Imagine having a conversation with a computer. Not just any ordinary chat, but one where the computer truly understands you, generates creative text formats, and even writes different kinds of creative content. In this video, we're going to explore the cool job of prompt engineering and show some real-life examples that everyone can easily grasp. So, let's start. There are actually 5 sections in this video. In the first one, we define what prompt engineering is. In the second section, real-world examples of prompt engineering. In the third section, we talk about prompt engineering basic techniques. In section 4, I'll give you some advices on how to become a prompt engineer. Lastly, in section 5, we analyze the future of this profession and why prompt engineering is revolutionizing how we interact with AI. If you watch this video until the end, you will have all the knowledge you need to kickstart your journey to becoming a prompt engineer. By the way, want to know how much a prompt engineer makes this year? I'll also reveal the average salary according to a really reliable source. And one last thing, for the next videos I will share the most useful AI tools available that can greatly simplify your life. These tools range from creating images, voiceovers, talking avatars, like the one I use for this video, transcripts, and presentation makers, to creating or improving your CV. Trust me, it's gonna be awesome. Prompt engineering at its core is the art of crafting effective instructions for AI models. It's about understanding how to communicate your desired outcome to the AI in a way that it can understand and act upon. Anyone can do this using natural language and tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E. But to truly unlock the potential of these AI systems, we need to learn how to speak their language. This is where prompt engineering comes in. Think of it as writing a clear and detailed recipe for the AI to follow, guiding it to produce the results you want. A prompt can be anything from a simple question to a complex set of instructions. It's the input that you feed into the AI model, and the model uses this input to generate a response. This input could be sentences of text, images, audio, or even videos. The quality of the prompt directly influences the quality of the output. A well-crafted prompt leads to accurate, relevant, and creative outputs, while a poorly crafted one can result in confusing or irrelevant results. The key to effective prompt engineering lies in understanding the AI model's capabilities and limitations. Different AI models are trained on different datasets and have different strengths and weaknesses. I'll leave you some links of cool AI tools in the description that you can check out. They're super helpful and can do all sorts of things. Knowing these nuances allows you to tailor your prompts to get the best possible results from each model. Prompt engineering is more than just giving commands. It's about collaborating with the AI. It's about understanding its language, anticipating its responses, and guiding it towards the desired outcome. As we dive into the practical uses of prompt engineering, we'll witness how this cool approach is totally changing different industries. Prompt engineering is no longer a futuristic concept, it's actively shaping our present. From the chatbots we interact with daily to the advanced code-generating tools used by developers, prompt engineering is at the heart of many AI-powered applications. Let's look at the top 4 real-world examples where prompt engineering is making a difference. Number 1, Virtual Assistant. Have you ever asked a virtual assistant for help finding information or completing a task? That's prompt engineering in action. When you ask your virtual assistant, "What's the weather like today?" you're providing a prompt that the AI uses to access relevant data and provide you with a response. Number 2, Chatbots. Similarly, businesses are using AI-powered chatbots to answer customer queries, book appointments, and even provide personalized recommendations, all thanks to carefully crafted prompts. Number 3, Generative AI. Prompt engineering extends beyond text-based interactions. It's also being used to generate images, music, and even code. Artists are using AI tools to create stunning visuals by providing prompts that describe the desired image style, composition, and elements. Musicians are using AI to compose original scores by feeding prompts that specify the genre, mood, and instrumentation. Number 4, Code Generation. In the realm of software development, prompt engineering is revolutionizing how code is written. Developers are using AI models to generate code snippets, debug existing code, and even write entire programs based on specific requirements. This not only speeds up the development process but also opens up opportunities for those with limited coding experience to create software. Prompt engineering is like a cool mix of science and art. While there are specific techniques that can be learned, there's also an element of creativity and intuition involved in crafting the perfect prompt. Let's explore some basic techniques that can help you get started on your journey to becoming a prompt engineer. The first one and the most simplest technique is zero-shot prompting. By this method you will only give direct instructions or ask a question without giving it any other information, like examples or demonstrations. But it is important to be clear and specific in your instructions. The more specific your instructions, the more likely the AI is to generate an output that meets your expectations. Second technique is few-shot prompting. With this technique you will be providing context to your prompts. Give the AI background information that helps it understand the purpose and tone of the desired output. For example, if you're asking the AI to write a marketing copy for a new product, provide details about the target audience, product benefits, and desired call to action. This context helps the AI generate copy that is relevant and persuasive. The third one is chain of thought prompting. Use this method when you want to make the model to understand complicated instruction. Breaking it down into smaller steps helps it think better. You can even mix it up with some few-shot prompting technique. And the last one, prompt chaining. When you break down a big task into smaller and easier parts, then uses the generative AI's results to get the job done. This way can make things more reliable and consistent for some really tough tasks. Besides all these techniques, experimentation is key in prompt engineering. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what works best for the specific AI model you're using. Sometimes, subtle changes in wording or phrasing can make a significant difference in the output. As you experiment, you'll develop a better understanding of the model's capabilities and how to guide it effectively. As the field of generative AI continues to expand, the job demand for skilled prompt engineers is rapidly increasing. If you're intrigued by the idea of communicating with AI and guiding it to create amazing things, then becoming a prompt engineer might be the perfect path for you. Here's a super easy guide to help you get started. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the basics of AI and machine learning. There are tons of online resources and courses that can give you a basic idea of how AI works. Focus on understanding concepts like natural language processing, deep learning, and different types of AI models. I'll leave some links of courses in the description. Second step, practice your prompt engineering skills. Start experimenting with different AI platforms and tools. There are many publicly available AI models that you can interact with and practice your prompt engineering skills. Choose a platform that interests you, whether it's text generation, image creation, or code generation, and start exploring its capabilities. Step 3, specialization. As you gain experience, consider specializing in a particular area of prompt engineering. This could be anything from chatbot development to AI-powered content creation. Focusing on a niche allows you to develop deep expertise and become a sought-after specialist in that field. Oh, remember when I said I'd tell you how much a prompt engineer makes? The salary can vary significantly based on factors such as experience, location, and the industry they work in. On average in the United States can earn between $120,000 to $160,000 per year. However, in places like Silicon Valley or if you're really good at AI and machine learning, you can make over $200,000 a year. Pretty good, right? If you are considering this career or just for curiosity, junior prompt engineers might start with salaries around $50,000 to $80,000 per year. As the field keeps on growing, these numbers are probably gonna change, showing how AI and natural language processing are becoming more and more important in different sectors. Prompt engineering is not just a technical skill, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. As AI becomes more sophisticated, our ability to communicate with it effectively will determine how we leverage its power. Prompt engineering empowers us to shape the future of AI, guiding it towards solving complex problems, creating innovative solutions, and enhancing our lives in countless ways. Imagine a world where AI can help us design sustainable cities, discover new medical treatments, and even create personalized educational experiences. This future is within reach, and prompt engineering is the key to unlocking it. By mastering the art of the prompt, we can tap into the full potential of AI and create a future that is both innovative and beneficial for all. The journey into the world of prompt engineering is an exciting one. It's a field that's constantly evolving, offering new challenges and opportunities for growth. As you delve deeper into this field, you'll not only develop valuable technical skills but also cultivate a deeper understanding of the power and potential of AI. The future of AI is being written now, and prompt engineers are the ones holding the pen. Embrace the power of prompt engineering and join the movement that's shaping the future of technology and innovation. The journey is full of possibilities, and the impact you can make is limitless. And now is your turn. What do you think on how the AI will evolve in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest on AI and data. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.